So here's a quick update on a Dave's Garage video. I found a much better way to put a bar end mirror. So go buy your bar end mirror that's got these kind of things that clamp onto this piece, which normally goes into the end. I had to modify this and drilled it and tapped it. And I mean, look at that. That's just, it looks like ass. So what I did was I ordered a set of these, and I'll put a link in the video. These will screw in, and I should have about 1/2 of an inch sticking out, and I should be able to install this on it. So I'm going to see if I can put this down. I'm using my phone. I got to put this somewhere. See if I can get this somewhere. You know what? No, you know what? Actually, I can just pause this and come right back. So what I'm going to do is take this off the end, unscrew this. I'm going to screw this in, and then I'm going to mount it up to it. So give me 1 second, and we will be right back. All right, so I got the old one out and that new one in, and now I've got just enough room. If I take, God damn it, it's impossible to do this with one fucking hand. So what I'm gonna have to do is then clamp this onto that, and I will have my mirror. That's gonna look awesome. So I'm gonna pause this again, put this on and get the mirror on, but that just screws in. It has the wide part, so it you know, because the bar ends here, and that's where the threading starts. So this end was just like bendy because there was nothing underneath supporting it. This is the same width as the bar. It goes in, and it gives you just enough, and it's the right size. So if you see that, you'll see the finished product. This will all make sense. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Let me pause this again. All right, and we're back. So I've got another bag of these. It just comes, I came with 2 of these. It was like $9. They're aluminum. They just thread in. There's a collar if you didn't have the bar end mirror. But now look at that. That's perfect. That is exactly how that should look. So now I can just get on and adjust this, and it folds in, and I'll just need to tighten that ball area there a little bit more. But yeah, that is exactly what I was hoping for. So very cool. $8 plus the mirror, but the mirror wasn't working on this particular bar, but there's bar ends on Amazon that are, I guess, made for this. So you don't have to drill out. You don't have to have it sticking off the end where it was just way out here. When you push that in, this now sits right where it's supposed to be so it doesn't move around. And you got that little bit of gap there to mount something to it. So there's a nice little mod for you. Buy the mirror, and then you just need that $8 adapter.